In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Shopify email template, full guide. We're going to brand your Shopify notification emails so they look consistent with your store. By the end, you'll have your logo in place, your colors dialed in, and your changes saved on a common notification so you can see everything working together. Start by opening your Shopify admin in your browser and signing in. From the main dashboard, go down to Settings. This is where Shopify keeps the controls for notifications and branding, and it's the fastest path to the email editor. Inside Settings, use the search bar to find the page you need. Begin typing Email and choose the option that lets you customize email templates. This takes you to your store's email settings, where Shopify centralizes the header image, colors, and template previews. Let's add your logo first. Select Add Image. You can upload a new file or choose one from your library. For best results, pick a clean, high-quality logo, ideally a PNG with a transparent background. Keep the file size small so it loads quickly, and aim for a width around 400 pixels so it looks crisp without overwhelming the header. After you see your image in the picker, select it to confirm your choice, then hit Done to apply it to your emails. Next, open the Colors section. This is where you'll match your brand palette. Set your primary accent color for buttons and links. Choose a background that keeps text readable, and select a body text color with strong contrast for accessibility. If you have brand hex codes, enter them directly so your emails match your storefront exactly. A light background with dark text is the safest option for clarity across devices. Now, pick a specific notification to review. Choose Order Confirmation. This is one of the most frequently sent emails, so it's a great way to preview your branding in a real-world layout. You'll see how your logo and color choices update the header, buttons, and links. Remember, these branding settings are shared across Shopify's default notifications, so you're setting a consistent look once and reusing it everywhere. When everything looks good, select Save. This publishes your changes so new emails use your updated branding going forward. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your logo simple and horizontally oriented so it fits nicely. Prioritize high contrast for readability, and try to align these colors with your website for a seamless customer experience. If you need to refine anything, you can return to this page anytime and adjust your image or colors, then save again. And that's it. Your Shopify email